Hello, dear me. Welcome to my class.
Hello, my teacher.
Hi. Wow, it's nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Oh, happy Wednesday, my dear.
Yes.
Yes. Wow, so how are you today, my dear?
Uh, tired.
Oh,
Tired.
oh no, tired, my dear?
Yes.
Oh, where did you go earlier, my dear? Where did you
School.
I
School.
see. That's why you are tired. Oh no.
Study piano.
Oh, I see. Piano.
Yes.
So, how was it, my dear?
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, very good, my dear. And what did you what did you do before our class?
Study.
Yes, good, my
Study.
mhm. But did you eat your dinner, my dear?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
What did you eat, my dear?
Um, Noodle. Noodle.
Only noodles, my dear?
Yes.
Mm. How
Yes.
about some rice?
No. No.
Wow. Why, my dear? Are you on diet?
No. Uh, yeah. I like noodle.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. So what did you drink, my dear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, what did you drink, my dear? Water?
Uh,
Coffee?
water. Water.
Water, only water?
Yes. Water.
Ah.
Only water.
Oh, that's good, my dear. Because you need to drink plenty of water.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ah, yeah. And, um, you need to eat vegetables. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And of course, fruits as well.
Okay.
Okay. And mm, do not forget to smile.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So, but what what do you usually do when you are stressed, my dear?
Uh, sleep. Sleep.
Oh, very good. How about
Yeah.
showering for almost an hour? Oh,
Yes.
Oh, did you do that, my dear?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. But how about uh reading some books
A
or
little.
novels?
Reading some books.
Oh, do you like reading books?
Yes. Lie. I lie.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite book, my dear? What's your favorite book?
Uh. Yeah.
Is it's okay if it's written in it's okay if it is written in Vietnamese, my dear. Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh.
It
I don't know. I don't know how to read it in English.
I see. Okay, it's okay, my dear. But why do you like that book?
Oh. Yes.
Because is it exciting? Is it romantic?
Um. Because it's quite meaningful.
Oh, wow. I like that, my dear. Meaningful.
Yes.
Like like your life.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So, let's have a review first, my dear. Okay,
Yeah.
so can you read this one?
Woman.
Very good. This one.
Country.
Good. Next.
Dinner.
Nice.
Dinner. Knife.
Good.
Again.
Nice.
Funny.
Good.
Sean.
Son.
Son.
Good.
Connection.
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 Oh, very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, so can you read this one?
Strong.
Very
Function.
good. Wrong. Okay, this one.
Function.
Good. Correct, my dear.
Drink. Drink.
Good.
Anchor.
Nice. Good.
Tongue. Tongue.
Correct. Tongue.
Tongue.
Okay, so can you read this one, my dear?
Uh, I fill up the gas. Tongue.
Nice. Can you say it one more time? Spilled.
Spill.
Good. Spilled.
Thin.
Nice. Good job, my dear. Okay. Tongue.
Tongue.
Nice.
Their farm has a large water tongue.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Okay, so can you say it one more time? Large.
Large.
Oh, very good. Correct. Okay, this one, my dear.
The three tongues hold the same volume of gas.
Correct. Very good, my dear. Wow. Can you say it again? Same.
Stem,
Oh, good. Same.
stem,
Oh, correct. Can you say volume?
volume,
Correct. Wow. Okay. Next one, my dear. Tank.
tank,
Yes. Tank.
tanks,
Oh, very good. Correct. Wow. I like that, my dear. Okay, next.
uh, a large container used for holding liquid gas, etc.
Very good. Correct. Okay, so can you say it again, my dear? Liquid.
Liquid,
Good. Wow. Okay, can you say container?
container,
Very good. Correct, my dear. Wow. Okay, so next word.
monkey, monkey,
Yes, monkey.
monkey,
Oh, very good. Oh, correct. Okay, nice, my dear. Okay, can you read?
uh, monkeys have complex social relationships.
Nice. Okay, very good, my dear. Can you say it one more time? Monkeys.
Monkeys,
Oh, wow. Very good, my dear. Nice. Can you say complex?
complex,
Nice. One more time, my dear. Complex.
conflict,
Nice. Very good. Okay. Can you say social?
social,
Good. Wow. One more time. Social.
social,
Ah, correct. Okay, very good. So, can you read the meaning of monkey?
uh, a small to medium size animal that looks similar to a human being.
Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Human.
Human
Oh, wow. Very good. Wow. Okay. Can you say it again? Looks.
looks
Wow. Good job, my dear. Okay. So, can you read the meaning, the next word?
donkey,
Yes,
donkey,
very good. Nice. Donkey.
donkey, donkey,
Yes. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Donkey. Donkey.
donkey,
Yes.
donkey.
Okay, very good. Wow. So, can you read the sample sentence?
Donkeys are often used as pack animals.
Nice. Okay, very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Often.
Often,
Oh, wow. Often.
often,
Good job, my dear. Nice. Can you say donkeys?
donkeys.
Oh, very good. All right. So, can you read this one, my dear?
Uh, an animal with hoofs that is closely related to horses. Horses,
Nice. Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Horses.
horses,
Good. One more time, my dear. Horses.
Horses.
Oh, good. Can you say related?
Related.
Good. Wow. One more time, my dear. Related.
Related.
Oh, correct. Very good. Wow. Can you say closely?
Closely.
Good job. Wow. Nice. Can you say hoops?
Host.
Oh, correct. Okay, very good, my dear. So, next word.
Singer.
Correct. Singer.
Singer.
Yay, very good. Okay.
She's a famous singer with an excellent voice.
Nice. Wow. Can you say it, my dear? Excellent.
Excellent.
Good. One more time. Excellent.
Excellent.
Very good. How about you, my dear? Me. Do you have an excellent voice?
Oh no.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes.
I think you are a good singer.
Thank you.
Yes? Sample. Can, can you make a sample? Joke. It's a joke, my dear.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so, oh, can you, I'm sorry, can you say famous?
Famous.
Oh, correct. Wow. Good job. Okay, so
Yes.
next idea.
When I was young, I wanted to be a singer when I grew up.
Hmm, very good. Can you say it again? Singer.
Yes. Singer.
Oh, very good, my dear.
Singer. Yes.
You too?
Yes. I want to be a singer.
Oh, so meaning,
Yes.
meaning you really have a nice voice.
Yeah,
Oh,
a
oh,
little.
ah, I think you are. I was right.
Little.
Oh, wow, that's nice, my dear. Okay,
Yeah.
I hope I can hear you singing a song. Some
Yeah.
maybe someday.
Yeah.
Okay. I will I will wait. I will wait for that to happen.
Soon. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Soon. Coming soon. Like
Soon,
this, my
yes,
dear.
soon.
Coming soon.
Yeah,
In
okay.
cinemas nationwide. Oh, in
Oh,
cinemas nationwide.
yes.
Okay, so next, wow, can you read the meaning of singer?
Yeah. Someone who sings, especially, especially on a job.
Nice,
Especially
good. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Us. Ah,
us,
yes, as a job.
as a job.
Very good. Wow. Can you say it again? Especially.
Especially
Oh, wow. I like that. Okay. Can you
uh,
say sings?
sings,
Good. Sings.
sings.
Correct. Wow. Okay. So this time you're going to read and practice these sentences.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, do you know where she is?
Correct. Wow. I like that, my dear. Next.
Uh, there is a man in the house.
Very good. Nice. Okay. So next.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Can you say it again, my dear? Understand.
Understand.
Oh, very good. Okay. So next.
Uh, I am interested in philosophy.
Very
Philosophy.
good. Can you say it again? Philosophy.
Philosophy.
Good. Wow. One more time, my dear. Philosophy.
Philosophy.
Oh, wow. Very good. Can you say it? Interested.
It's just red.
Oh, wow. Okay. Can you say it again, my dear? Interested.
Interest.
Can you say it one more time? Interested. Interested.
Interested.
Oh, correct. Nice. Okay, so next, my dear.
There is no connection.
Wow, connection.
Connection.
Oh, okay, next, my dear.
The sun is shining.
Oh, good. Shining. Can you say it?
Shining.
Good.
sh-
Shining.
Shining.
Oh, very good. Sun.
Sun.
Very good. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Do you know that, my dear? Shining, shimmering, splendid?
Shining.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a song, my dear. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess. Do you know that song?
No. No.
I think
No.
it's the title of that movie, Aladdin.
No.
Oh, I see. I think you should try to watch that. Okay. So, next, my dear.
Uh, Try not to blink.
Blink, blink. Very good. Correct. Okay. So, next, my dear.
Uh, What do you think about it?
Mm. Good job.
The ship sank quickly.
Oh, very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Sang.
Sank.
Good. Sheep.
Ship.
Very good. Can you read the sentence again?
The ship sank quickly.
Okay. Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, next.
Did you turn the spring sled on? Did you
Can
turn the
you say it
spring
again, my dear? Sprinkles.
sprinkler?
Very good. Can you say it one more time? Sprinkles.
Sprinkler.
Good. One more time, my dear. Sprinkles.
Sprinklers.
Oh, wow. Very good. Correct. Okay. So, next sentence.
What are your
Mm,
strengths?
Strength.
Strengths.
Good. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Strength.
Strengths. Strengths.
Oh, very good. Correct. Okay, so next
She
sentence.
she is very young.
Correct. She. Can you say it again?
She.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Very good. So this time you need to read the paragraph, my dear.
Okay. Um. Young Nina wore a pretty pink red this morning. She was visit, visiting her uncle in the countryside. She was looking forward to seeing his donkeys and his monkey. Her uncle had many animals. Nina liked to watch the donkey drink water, and she had fun playing with the under the sprinklers. Spring, spring, springs. She meshed up with the animal and pretended they were singers. In the evening, her uncle would make her a nice dinner. He was a very kind man with a lot of ringlets and an insurance uncle.
Wow. Thank you so much, my dear me.
Yeah.
Wow. Very good, my dear. Nice. Can you say it again? War.
Were
Oh, good. Can you say that morning? Morning.
that morning.
Oh,
That morning.
correct. Correct. Can you say visiting?
Visiting.
Oh, correct. Nice. Can you say she?
She.
Oh, good. Correct. Can you say forward?
Forward.
Good. One more time. Forward.
Forward.
Good. Wow. Can you say it again? Donkey.
Donkey.
Oh, correct. Can you say monkey?
Monkey.
Oh, good. Can you say uncle?
Uncle.
Good. Can you say donkey drink?
donkey drink.
Oh, correct. Wow. Can you say monkey?
Monkey.
Good. Can you say sprinkles?
Sprinkler.
Correct. Wow. Can you say sound?
Sauce.
Good. Sound.
Sauce.
Oh, good job. Can you say pretended?
Pretended.
Wow, good job. Can you say singers?
Singer.
Correct. Can you say wrinkles?
Wrinkles.
Good. One more time, my dear. Wrinkles.
Wrinkles.
Good. Can you say injured ankle?
Injust uncle.
Good. Can you say it one more time? Injured.
Interest.
Good. Injured.
Injured.
Good. Wow. Okay, so this time, can you read again?
Okay. Um,
Okay.
young Nina was a pretty pink dress that morning. She was visiting her uncle in the countryside. She was looking forward to seeing his donkey, and his monkey. Uh, her uncle had many animals. Nina liked to watch the donkey drink water, and she had fun playing with the monkey under the sprinkler. She made sounds with the animal and pretended they were singers. In the evening, her uncle could make her a night dinner. He was a very kind man with a lot of wrinkles, and an enthused uncle.
Okay. Can you say it one more? Very good, my dear. Correct. Wow. Can you say it again? Uncle.
Uncle,
Very good. Can you say she?
cheese,
She.
she,
Oh, wow. Very good. Can you say dress?
dress,
Oh, good. Can you say was?
wash,
Okay. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Was.
wash,
Oh, was.
wash.
Yes, correct. Very good. Nice. Okay, so good job, my dear me.
There.
Okay, so this time you need to, okay, so you need to, okay. So this time you
Okay.
need to read these words. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bang,
Good.
online, online,
Correct. Online.
online.
Okay.
Increase,
Good.
increase,
Increase.
increase.
Oh, correct.
Anger,
Oh, wow. Very
uh,
good.
incredible,
Nice. Can you say it? Incredible.
incredible.
Oh, good. Next.
Converter,
Nice. Converter.
converter.
Oh, wow. Okay. Next, my dear.
Translate.
Oh,
Translate.
wow. Translate.
Translate.
Oh, correct. Nice. Okay,
Uh,
next.
Snow.
Oh, good. Snow.
Snow.
Oh, very good. How about you, my dear? Do you like snow?
Yeah.
Do you like snow, my dear?
对
Oh.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I like
Wow,
it.
nice. How about snowman?
Yeah. I like.
But do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes.
Okay, so next idea.
Bunker. Bunker.
Nice. Bunker.
Bunker.
Oh, very good. Next idea.
Gun.
Correct. Gun.
Gun.
Okay.
King.
Good.
Uh,
Correct.
a series. A
Nice.
s-
Say it again, my dear. Anxious.
answers.
Good. One more time, my dear. Anxious.
Anxious.
Oh, correct. Very good. Okay, so next, my dear.
Input.
Good.
Chin.
Good.
Chin.
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 Good. One more time, my dear. Chin.
Chin.
Good. Next.
Tongue.
Correct. Tongue.
Tongue.
Okay.
Spanish.
Good.
Spanish.
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 Good. One more time, my dear. Spanish.
Spanish.
Good. Spanish.
Spanish.
Oh, correct. Okay. Next, my dear.
English.
Good.
English.
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 Correct. Wow. Okay, next, my dear.
Finish.
Good. Finish.
Finish. Finish.
Correct. Wow. Okay, next.
Ben.
Good. Ban.
Ben.
Nice. Next.
Wind.
Good. Win.
Wind.
Oh, correct.
Wind.
Wow. Very good. Wing.
Wind.
Wing, wing, wing. Okay, very good, my dear. Next.
Strong.
Mm, very good. Strong.
Strong.
Okay.
Think. Think.
Yes, thing.
Think.
Nice.
Think.
Thing.
Think.
Nice.
Think.
Correct. Can you say it again, my dear? Thing.
Think.
Yes. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Thing.
Think.
Thing.
Think. Think.
Yes. Thing. Okay. Next, my dear.
Connect. Connect.
Yes, very good. Connect.
Connect.
Okay. Good job, my dear me. You did well tonight.
Yeah.
Yes.